Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Fontana Limited recently raised 950 million Jamaican dollars in the form of an investment bond. The purpose is for its expansion, and with Scotia Investments Jamaica Limited acting as lead arranger for the deal, which started in December 2024 and closed recently. Fontana CEO Ann Chang commented, "We will continue to capitalize on strategic opportunities to expand our network across Jamaica, grow our customer base, and improve on operational efficiencies." This strategic debt raise empowers Fontana to scale our store footprint, invest in ongoing location updates, and position ourselves for further expansion. Fontana is pleased to once again partner with the Scotia Investments Jamaica team, whose seamless execution has made this milestone possible. The Cygnus Group says it has invested $35 billion in selected businesses in a variety of sectors in the USA and across the Caribbean last year. Cygnus invested $13 million in U.S. convertible preference shares into the energy sector in the USA and $9 million in senior secured short-term bridging financing to the energy sector, also in the USA. Additionally, it invested $25 million in a revolving receivables program in the Bahamas, $10 million in secured construction notes in Jamaica, and $8.6 million in senior mezzanine notes for the U.S. health and wellness sector, among others, according to RJR News. With nearly 100 companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the earnings season continued to look robust for many of the listed shares. Caribbean Cement Company Limited audited financials for the year ended December 31, 2024, report 7% increase in year-end net profit. Pan Jamaica Group Limited audited financials for the year ended December 31, 2024, reports an 82% increase in year-end net profit attributable to shareholders. Kingston Properties Limited audited financials for the 12 months ending December 31, 2024, reports year-end net profit of $5.37 million. And Carreras Limited audited financials for the 12 months ending December 31, 2024, report year-end net profit of $6.23 billion. For the trading period ending March 6, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,292,603 units traded, representing 19.6% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 1,086,713 units traded, representing 6.47% of market sales volume. Pharmaceutical distributor Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited ordinary shares with 1,071,509 units traded, representing 6.38% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market, rate set by Bank of Jamaica on March 6, 2025. The Bank of Jamaica reported that $69.33 million was purchased and $61.84 million was sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.46 per dollar, selling the U.S. at $157.81 and buying the U.S. at $156.35. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.35 per transaction, with selling at $110.15 and buying at $108.80. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.45 in profits, with selling at $202.29 and buying at $200.84. For our credit report tip of the day, reaching your 60s with debt can feel like a heavy emotional weight. Yet, here's the truth. You are not your debt. It doesn't define you, and it is never too late to turn things around. With consistent action, small wins, and the right strategy, you can regain control and move forward with confidence. One suggestion is to refinance loans to lower payments. Explore options to refinance your mortgage, car loan, or personal loans to reduce your monthly burden. Then consider to stop relying on credit for daily expenses. Shift to using cash or a debit card for everyday purchases to avoid accumulating more debt. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward to your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.